Have you ever struggled with getting a high English score on the IELTS or CELBAN? You are not alone! Hundreds and thousands of internationally educated healthcare professionals face this situation every year. But it doesn't have to stay that way. That is why Kim Kara has devoted an entire year to create CELBANPrep University, with programs designed to assist you in preparing for your career as a healthcare provider in Canada. It is so easy! Through Google Classroom, you can access CELBANPrep University on your phone or tablet, which is available for both Google Android and Apple iOS devices. You may be wondering, how does it work? There are 4 simple steps. 1. Download the Google Classroom app. 2. Register for the resource or learning center. 3. Schedule your student orientation meeting with a student advisor. 4. Join the class. That's it! Once you have followed those 4 steps, you are on your way to a successful career in Canada. Explore the resources. Watch the videos. Expand your skills. Save time and money. Download the app. Register. And start your journey on the path to a successful career in Canada.